Hi, everyone. My name is Kevin Cabrera. We are software analysis and development technologists, and our group is made of
My name is Wilmer Vargas.
Hi, my name is Juan Pablo.
Software maintenance. A software maintenance is about giving functionality through different methods to software that requires it. Implement the employer requirements with functionalities of the same system, achieve optimal operation, always with the clear objective of giving the client what they want.
Materials, notebook, pen, work environment, computer, book of Node and Node, Internet, work team or developers, Visual Studio, repository, working methodology, server, step by step for the execution of an update and or maintenance of a program. We will need to carry out the following action. 1. Firstly, identify the problem which will or while you to proceed to the second step, which is the prioritization of the potential problem or error identified. 2. Think. Analyze the causes which influence, review the source code, error log, conducting tests and perform analysis among other things. 3. After this, proceed to design viable solution and then estimate the effort, which in other words would be determine the time, personnel required, and resources. 4. Once this step is complete, plan a detailed plan with tasks, resources, and deadlines. 5. After complete this step, implement the changes proceed to carry out. Unit tests are those that are done inside module. Following that, integration tests will be conducted to ensure that the programs function correctly with the text.
6. When this step is complete, perform run regression tests which consist of reviewing and verifying that everything is the optimal condition. To verify that the new route has been introduced and optimized as needed, performance testing will also be required to evaluate the program speed and ensure it is in optimal conditions. 7. Move on to the documentation page, which involves updating all system information. When this is done, deploy the program. Is everything will be under the monitoring or tracking page. 8. Provide continuous feedback and imprint every 15 days monthly. 9. Implementation of the changes. Deploy the changes in the production environment. 10. Tuning and optimization. Perform additional tuning and optimization in the software to improve its performance.
11. Version control. Keep a strict control of the different versions of the software and change main image of them. 12. Monitoring and tracing. Carry out continuous monitoring of the software after its implementation. 13. Preventive maintenance. Perform and predict maintenance tasks to prevent future problems and ensure the long-term health of the software. 14. Evaluation in progress. Periodically evaluate the maintenance process and look for opportunities to improve it. 15. Post-implementation follow-up. After the solutions are implemented, follow-up is carried out to make sure that the solved problems do not occur again.
Thank you for attention. Bye.